Hello my YouTube fans, here I am again with P38. Despite being a winter time in UK, I'm going to use this nice weather and try to clean this engine bay, which was not cleaned for over 29 years. Almost 30 years I believe. So I'm trying to give it a go and clean it today. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, press that button. It's going to help me a lot in the future for my content. I wish you guys happy 2024 and stay tuned for new videos. Thank you so much for watching.
Throughout this video, these are the products I will be using. We have some microfiber cloths, gloves, wire brushes, detailing brushes, garage cloth wipes, black trim restorer, sugar soap, which is really good for removing the grease. Here we have heavy duty multi-purpose cleaner, wax and dry spray wax, just to finishing details. For better cleaning results, let the engine run for 10 minutes. In order to prevent water damage, it's best to remove battery first. If you want to keep the battery, just remove the terminals. As I don't have electricity here, I'm trying to pick up as much dirt as I can. As my car has been sitting here for a few months, it has collected lots of leaves and other dirt. In this step I will be using these premium detailing brushes to clean the engine surface while it is dry. There are 3 different brush types in this set. The one I started off with the engine bay is medium brush. In this part I am brushing away all the dust and dirt. On the manifold I decided to use wire brush, and this is before I started. If you're going to use wire brush, make sure you're gently brushing and you take your time, as this part of the engine is going to give to your car that extra shine. And guys, check this out, what this small wire brush did. This was done in less than 2 minutes. Results are impressive. This stage I'm using warm water in a spray bottle for a quick rinse, to remove all the dirt and dust. Always start with the top of the engine bay. After that, just wipe off everything with a microfiber cloth. After finishing with the hood, I just continue with the sides of the engine bay and the front. On the car and the engine we have a lot of greasy parts, and in that case we will use these garage cloth wipes. They are really nice. In this package is 80 of them. I will put the link in description below. We simply grab a cloth wipe and we start cleaning all over again the engine bay. I know it's a lot of wiping, but through each step we are taking more and more dirt off the engine. Always start with the outer parts of the engine bay, as they have less dirt and grease than parts which are exposed to different oils. After cleaning engine bay with the cloth wipes, I will use this multi-purpose cleaner and I will start with the top. I let the cleaner sit for 30 seconds and after that I started agitating with a detailing brush. After I finished, I just simply wipe off with my microfiber cloth. this case I forgot to mention, for better results first use a bit wet microfiber cloth. As we can see, hood is quite nice. It still needs detailing, but I'm really happy with the results. So now we will focus with the same product on the engine. I will first spray the right side of the engine and then I will move on the left side of the engine. So the engine is quite big and is going to make my work much easier. For this job we can use normal detailing brush and also toothbrush. It's very nice, whereas like grime and grease is a bit harder. After using heavy duty cleaner, NJB turned out really nice. I will spray the hood with water to prepare the surface for spray wax. After spraying the water, I will use this wax and dry spray wax. After that, I will just wipe off with microfiber cloth. And the hood is actually shiny. I hope you guys can see, because the weather is not the greatest. It's a bit cloudy today, but I did put some effort in and we have some nice results. I am really happy with this. So after using spray wax on surfaces around the engine bay, car is getting really nice. We are coming to the finish and now I will just use black trim restorer. I will try to agitate it with a brush on all plastic surfaces. I will let it be there for a bit and wipe it off with a microfiber cloth. I forgot to mention, if you're struggling with electricity and you don't have compressor around, it's really nice to have these air dusters. They're quite helpful for blowing dust and dirt.
And look at that engine bay, guys, how everything turned out after detailing, putting this black trim restorer. The engine bay looks amazing. To me this is shiny enough, and this just with wire brush, how this turned out is unbelievable. I love this car and I will try to work on this car, and stay tuned for some new content after the new year. Happy New Year, guys. Enjoy with your family and loved ones. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It's going to help me a lot in the future.
And on the end, after all of this cleaning, we finally just need to check if the Range Rover P38 is going to start. And the beast P38 is alive.